No. Good afternoon, everyone. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to our cryptocurrency session where we talk about the cryptocurrency market. You are welcome to another session today. Tell me where you're joining from as we wait for others to join. Make sure you click on the like button, click on the share button so that this free training can save some people from taking wrong decisions. Okay. I'm really excited and I really want you guys to know that it has always been God all the way. Okay. It has always been God all the way. Happy New Month. Happy New Month for everyone. It's going to be a great month for you. It's going to be a great month for me. Let me know where you're joining from. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Uwa Laka. Gonna have you. Okay. Thank you so much. Click on the like button, click on the share button so that people can have access to this training free of charge. Okay, free of charge. Tell me where you're joining from. Today's cryptocurrency. I'm going to be talking about several projects, answering your questions. What are we expecting the market to do um, in the next few weeks or few months, depending on the kind of trader or investor that you are. Okay, but I'm really pumped up about this, really excited, and we're expecting a lot from the market sooner than later. Okay, so if you can hear me, let me know you guys can hear me. Put in I can hear you, I can hear you, I can hear you. Let me know you can hear me. Great. Tell me where you're joining from also. I want to know where you're joining from. Where are you joining from? Where are you joining from? Let's go, 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 let's go. Come on. Let's go. So we need to share. Let's share, let's share, let's share. Thank you so much, okay. Let's share this to all necessary platforms. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, Yeah. Let's do that right now. Thank you so much for joining. Tell me where you're joining from. Please endeavor to share. As promised, share minimum 5 times. Share to various groups that are related to crypto. Share to, just help somebody outside there to gain value because a lot of people are taking wrong decisions in the market. And sincerely, the best we can do is to keep sharing till everyone gets the right information before investing. If you can have access to the right information, you would not invest strongly. Okay? Okay, I'm sharing to my Facebook groups before we get busy. I need you guys to help share too. It's going to be a great time. Click on the like button. Click on the like button. Cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency. Okay. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. Fantastic. So I've dropped on several platforms, and we're going to be good to go. So, guys, you're welcome one more time to cryptocurrency session with update with Mayowa Owolabi. How are you doing? How is your investment going? Hope you're taking note, you're documenting your asset because a lot will be happening. And as an investor, you want to get ready. 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 Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 2 more minutes, we're going to kick off the session. We talk about Bitcoin, we talk about Ethereum, talk about Bitcoin, we talk about Ethereum, talk about BNB. We're going to talk about the major projects. Hey, Olagunju, how are you doing? Good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon, sis. How is it going? Make sure you share. Thank you so much, Gabriel, for sharing. Make sure you share, 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 share. Make sure you share, 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 share. Come on, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Whew. I'm excited. I'm pumped up. I'm pumped up. I'm pumped up. I'm pumped up. Bitcoin has started gaining some strength. Yeah, good. So, what are we expecting in the market? What are we expecting? What are we expecting? So, yes, so let's get to work. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Tell me where you're joining from. And as usual, the first thing we always check whenever we come to the cryptocurrency update, we'll get to talk about the happenings in the week, which we talk about the fundamentals. Then from there, we move from there. We'll talk about uh, the week and the fear indicator, which is the sentiment. Then from the sentiment, we move from there to technical analysis, where we all analyze the charts together, and we'll talk about the positions that we're expecting. And if the market gives us an opportunity to invest right away, definitely, Mr. Mayowa will not keep anything away from you. Okay, we're going to all go in, talk about where we're going to be entering the asset. I'm going to be good to go. Really excited having you guys around. So let's get busy. Let's get busy. Let's start with the financial, the fundamental updates. What has happened between last week and now? Hey, good afternoon, boss. Happy New Month. Joining from Malabo, Equatorial Guinea. Thank you so much for joining. How is Malabo today? How is Malabo today? Good, 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 good. Good. So the first fundamental we'll be talking about is Shiba Inu destroyed 666 million bond. Okay. Wow, 600. This is not a good. Shiba Inu witnessed a spike in bond in November. Wow, this is not a good one for Shiba Inu. Okay. So what can cause the spike? Let's check if there is a breakdown of what caused the spike. So what that means is that they were expecting to burn, let's say for example, 1 million, and they were expecting to burn 1 million, but there was a spike in the market at that particular time, and the expected burn increased. So they lost 666. Okay, witness a spike in November. The Shiba Inu community destroyed 666 sheep in 149 transaction, burning these tokens out of circulation permanently. The meme coin is already to begin its recovery despite the crypto bear market. The, impl- the implementation of Bond is key to Shiba Inu ecosystem as it reduces the number of SHIB token in circulation. And you all know that if the token in supply reduces, then the demand will, the price will increase. Okay. So this is I think it's intentional. Okay, I think it's intentional. Okay. Terra Luna Classic price squeeze hints at explosive breakout of some movement. I've not checked it. Naturally, I didn't invest in Terra Luna Classic. I didn't invest money in it at all. Okay. Secret Service charges 21 people into crypto money laundering. Okay. Hmm. The U.S. Attorney Office for Eastern District of Texas announces this on Wednesday. Okay, so let's see how this happens. Uh, they try to put regulation into this system, which is good, but really, that doesn't change the projections. Okay. Sony is getting into the metaverse. I think I said this about 2 weeks ago. So let's wait for the launch. Metaverse NFT investor Animoca brands to start 2 billion metaverse fund. Fantastic. Gucci enters the metaverse. These people are now waking up to blockchain. This is good. Divorce lawyers hunt for hidden crypto. Ha! So he's looking to get his asset back. Bitfinex owed the highest amount of Theta Luna at 60%. Wow, that's good for them. Bankruptcy court says FTX and Alameda owe BlockFi $1 billion. Jeez, that's a lot of money. Okay, that's a lot of money. Huobi token Ethereum Doji is up. Solana takes a dip. Solana, we've spoken about Solana 2 weeks ago. That is still dropping, and I gave you guys the entry price. I will be looking at Solana entry. Okay, so that's what we have. Let's go and check the fear and greed. Let's go and check the fear and greed. So we need to wait for the projection. We need to wait, patiently wait for what is possible. Don't be in a haste, guys. Don't be in a haste. The market is really, playing with our emotions right now. But the best we can do as investor is just hold our positions and expect wonders. Hold position, wonders. No, we are not running, but we are expecting the move. So what are we expecting at the sentiment phase? What is happening? What level are we? Last week we were below 20%. So as of today, we are above 20. We are around 27, which is fear. So last week we are around extreme fear. So that means that the market has been recovering. Bitcoin has moved from below 16,000, is above 17,000 as we talk, as we speak rather, which is good. So for short-term traders, I think momentum to about 21,000. Okay, I think there should be momentum to 21,000. Then from 21,000, that's what I'm looking at for. That's what I'm looking out for. Then from 21,000, we can talk about um, the sell-off to continue. Okay, is at 27. Sincerely, nothing around that zone for me. Okay, and I've told you all that we're waiting for it to come to 10. Anything below 10 will be good to go to sell, good to go to buy for long term. But right now, there's really nothing we need to do than to what? Remain patient. Okay, so the sentiment means that some money, some new inflows has coming. Okay, if you're a trader, pick some 5%, 15%, exit the market before the sell continues. Okay, we've not bottomed yet, and if you have not bottomed yet, there's nothing we can do. You have to wait for the bottom cycle. Okay, technically speaking, I'll be expecting to take a sell around 20,000. Okay, picking a sell at 20,000 that will drop to below 10,000. Okay, and short term wise, if I'm going to be buying from, if I'm going to be buying, I need to see a retracement to 16,400 before I can buy. 16,400 before I can buy. Okay, waiting for 16,400 before I can buy. So I'll be buying around 16,400, but that will be for futures. I'm not buying yet for spot. I'll be buying for futures. So if you can get this retracement back, so that means that potentially December can really, we can get some 23% upward, which is not bad. Okay, which is not bad. So my bias is taking a short buy here. That'll take us to 22,000, anything around 20,000 for Bitcoin. And I'll be making my main sell on futures around 20,000, around 20,600. That's where I'm going to be making my major sell because I strongly feel that it's still going to come down to this 10,000. That is Bitcoin for us. That is Bitcoin for us. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum has been responding well since yesterday. It's also reacting here. Main sell is still around 1500. But if I want to really take some short buy, I'll be taking short buy around. I'll be taking short buy here. Short buy around 1200, sorry. I'll be taking short buy there. I'll wait for my confirmation. I'll take another short buy here. That's the only way I can take short buy. But don't forget, this is future trading, so you have to put stop loss. Okay? You have to put short stop loss. Okay? Then when it gets to 15,500, you're going to look for a sell from that place. Okay? But right now, buy, short buy, guys. Short buy. Let's go. Short buy. That's what we're going to be looking out for. Short buy. So short buy for Ethereum, short buy for Bitcoin to catch some 20%, 15%, depending on where you are entering from. And we're good to go. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Put in some 777 if that is making sense right now. Put in 777 if it's making sense right now. So short buy on Bitcoin, short sell, short buy on Bitcoin, short buy on Ethereum. So we hold that till we get what we're looking for, which is the long-term sell. So that's my analysis for Ethereum. That's my analysis for Bitcoin. Any question? As usual, any question? And so we'll be looking at buying Bitcoin at looking at buying Ethereum at 1200, which is 1200. We'll buy it at that place. We'll buy it till throughout the month of December. We'll buy it till 15600 before we can take that sell. If not, we will not be able to do that. We'll not be able to do that. In the absence of no question, any asset you guys want me to check out today? Baba Femi Johnson. ApeCoin is down. When can I buy ApeCoin? Let's check it together. Technically speaking, technically speaking, technically speaking, when can we buy ApeCoin? ApeCoin has been down for a while. ApeCoin has been down for a while. Let's check it together. ApeCoin. If you're interested in buying ApeCoin, go to monthly time frame. Mm. ApeCoin, if you are buying for long term, ApeCoin is at a good place right now. But like I told you, I'm not going to buy any assets until the sentiment gets to below 10 or anything around 10. That's where I can buy long term assets. So if sentiment is good right now, if sentiment is not ready, fundamental is not ready, technical, we can't drive the market alone. Okay? Technical can't drive the market alone, except you just want to trade short term. Okay? So is below 78.6 Fibonacci, which is a great place to buy, but sentiment is not ready, fundamental is not ready. I can't buy. So you have to wait, put your money in USDT and stake it and wait. That's the business we found ourselves, is the business of waiting. It's a business of waiting. Okay? Andrew says your screen is blank. No, I just finished sharing that. This is it, ApeCoin. So if it is not clear, so this guy had to come up. It has to come up. But the sentiment is not ready. And if the sentiment is not ready, it's not also ready. So I won't buy right now. Fundamental is not ready, sentiment is not ready. So I won't buy right now. Okay? I won't buy right now. So I hope that is clear. Any other one you guys want me to check? You're welcome, Baba Femi Jensen. Let's go. Any other asset you guys want me to check? Great, 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 great. Any other asset? Andrew, any other asset you guys are looking at? Hmm. I think the opportunity right now is going to last for a while. Okay, it's going to last for a while, like really last for a while. So we have to wait patiently for those conditions. You have to wait for those conditions. And if the conditions are not met yet, you don't want to put your money in. You don't want to put your money in. Liquidity finance, Olagunju. I told you about all this finance that you have to be very careful. You have to hold it till you have to hold on any finance right now, because one of the things that makes any asset called finance to ride is people's liquidity when they go and stake. So if people are not staking their coins and people are not buying the projects, the blockchain project, the blockchain um, layer one blockchain coins, they cannot go and stake. So anything finance, you have to be very careful because it's all about staking. Okay, is that clear, Olagunju? Namdi from Lagos, Nigeria. Good to have you, Namdi. Good to have you. So I'm always being careful when I want to invest in anything finance. Okay, it has its own advantage, and one of the best advantages is to make sure you are staking. You buy them, you stake those assets. But if those assets are not, if the project you want to stake are not available right now, then hey, you don't have business with any project that is about staking right now. So if I want to buy such asset, I will wait until the cryptocurrency market is ready to buy for long term. If it's not ready, you are not going to get me there. You're not going to get me there. Hope I've answered that question. So don't even analyze any don't analyze any finance right now. Don't analyze it. Just wait for the opportunity that will make us to buy. Okay, boss. Well understood. Fantastic. Please, sir, BNB and Aptos. Aptos is not ready. BNB, let's go and check what BNB is doing. I'm waiting for Aptos myself. I told you guys I'll be buying some good Aptos projects. Let's check Aptos. Aptos went $100. Ah, guys. Aptos went $100. Some people are already buying Aptos here at this $4. When I told you guys the other time, some people are already buying Aptos right now. If you're buying Aptos, if you want to buy Aptos for long term, 3 to 5 years, you're good. You can buy now. But I think it should come lower. I can be wrong. Like I'm not, when you come to my session, I'm not here, like I do tell you, I'm not here to prove to you I'm the best. But I strongly feel that if Bitcoin will go lower more, Aptos will go lower more. That's the essence. Except you just want to trade it as futures. Okay, I think Aptos should come to as low as $2 or $1. Then we can do business. Aptos has the capacity to make a lot of people millionaire in the next bull. There's nothing here. The market is controlled here. Nothing. I feel it should drop more. I'll be buying BNB long term. Anything below, anything, just that my numbers and an average person will not like my numbers. But it's not about liking, it's about what I have seen that works. BNB can come very low, like very low. BNB can come very low, like 32. I know a lot of people won't, they are not happy about that, but that's what I can see here. So I can't buy BNB right now. If I will do anything on BNB, I will sell. I'll sell on futures. I'll sell to anything below 50, 40, then we can take it off from there. So that's my bias, okay? That's my bias for Aptos and Bitcoin. That's my bias. Don't forget, Mr. Mayowa is not here to prove to you that is the best. I'm just here to share my view. Mr. Mayowa, what are you saying? Tell us we should buy. Okay? Just be coming down. Be coming down. Be coming down. Okay, so Theophilus says, how do we get into metaverse investments? How do we get into metaverse investment? Major way of getting into metaverse: buy the assets, identify metaverse projects, do your research, follow checklists. Okay, follow the checklist to know that the project will work. Okay, then when you buy the project, you can now begin to talk about the metaverse, logging into the metaverse space. One of the major metaverse projects is Sandbox. A lot of time, let's go and check. Let's go and check some metaverse, Mr. Theophilus. Let's go and check. So this is categories. Come to where are you? So let's go to categories. You can see metaverse. So these are major metaverse projects. You know, Apecoin, metaverse, ICP. So these are major metaverse projects. Okay, Sandbox, Theta. This Theta, you know where it's coming from. Mana. Okay, let's check where Mana is currently. Mana. Okay, see, I've said it since more than some months back. Mana, is coming to 1 cent or 10 cents, sorry, 10 cents. That is the only place I can buy mana. So imagine buying mana. Mana all-time high is $6, and you buy mana at 10 cents. That's to the all-time high is about 7,000%. The next bull run is going to be crazy. I want to beg you, have enough money. Ah, mana is going to be manaring by that time. Okay, it's going to be manaring by that time. So you don't want to miss out. So there are top major projects on metaverse, but you have to also check them out. You have to check them out. You have to check the kind of projects they are. Okay, who are the investors? Okay, who are the people that are investing there? Okay, Axie Infinity gave our community about 14,000%. Okay, we bought in 2020 and we exited in 2021 last year. We made a lot of money from Axie Infinity. So it's coming lower now. We can buy when it comes lower. You have to check, okay? You have to check. You have to check the projects, the people who are involved in the projects, the investors in the project. Is that clear, Theophilus? Okay, let's talk about my books. So I wrote this book for you guys. If you don't have it, go and get it. World Creation Blueprint is really selling. A lot of people are buying, sending me their testimonials. You can reach out to Bukola, the number on the screen. Okay, so we get back to analysis after this, but you can get this book. It will help you to plan your portfolio when it comes to wealth. Okay, there are 4 vehicles you want to invest in, which is the only 4. Real estate, in no order: real estate, financial market, which has cryptocurrency, invest in your personal life, which is personal investment, personal development, then you invest in business. Look for businesses that you can invest in, have stake in it. I did that breakdown here. The next one is 21 cryptocurrency checklist. You want to get this book. A lot of you have been talking to me about what it takes to select the right project. I've given you a lot on this, but if you want the whole list, get this book. Okay. We also have the course. The course is the $97. So you can get the course, get the book. Then we have financial market code. Okay, what will make how to be how to be stable psychologically, asset to invest, and all of that. Then direct cryptocurrency code. If you are investing in cryptocurrency code and you don't have this book, you don't understand what you are doing. You are just putting money inside. So you need to have it. Then I have EduSell. Okay, how to educate people before selling. Okay, all of that is available. Reach out to Bukola. The promo ends yesterday, so all the books is back to 5,000. Cryptocurrency book is 10,000, but you can get it for 5,000. 5,000. She will give you the price. I don't have all the price offhand. Okay, just reach out to the number showing on your screen, and if you want to join the cryptocurrency community, reach out to her. She will also advise you on and how to join. Okay, on how to join so that you would not miss out. So I'm really excited for you guys. Reach out to her. The courses are also available and you'll be good to go. So if you really want to know how to check all of these assets you have mentioned, get the 21 checklists book where I have the breakdown, or you buy the course, which is currently selling for $97. Okay, you have the breakdown of how I identify courses, projects in cryptocurrency, and you'll be good to go. The websites to go, okay? The websites to go. Very important. Don't just buy asset because a YouTuber said the asset will work. I've told you guys that over and over again. Don't buy asset because somebody said the asset will buy. Buy an asset because you understand that the asset has met your own checklist. Okay, that will help you to be able to scale up. Any other assets you guys want me to check? Theophilus, Theomat, hope I've answered your question. So you go to the categories, like I said, check out all the metaverse projects there. Then do your own checklist. There are a lot of them. Oh. We have ApeCoin, ICP, Sand, Mana. You can't buy all of them. That's one of the things people are missing out from. You know, ILV, Ultra, Reef. You know, I bought Reef 2020. He has not done anything since that time. So you have to be very careful so that the cryptocurrency will not hold your more capital down. So do your research, know the people involved, the CEO, the team, why the purpose of the project. Then you can now begin to scale up. But without that, I recommend you just invest. You invest minimally. Don't be too exposed. Okay. Any other question? Tell me, tell me, tell me. I'm here. What about CBT staking? CBT. Is that a project? Is CBT a project? Or CBT is a platform? Which of them? Is it a project or a platform? Hmm? Okay. Staking means you have an asset, you bought the asset, you are staking it so that you can earn passive income. But I need to be sure the CBT, let me check if it's an asset. Because a lot of you, CBTC. So there's nothing like that here. So tell me, what's that? Is that a coin or a token? Hmm? Is that a coin or a token? Any other project you want us to check? So we've checked Bitcoin, we've checked Ethereum, we've checked Aptos, we've checked BNB, and we've also checked some breakdown on Metaverse. Okay. What they me meant for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Any question, guys? So, in the absence of no other question, this is the take home I want you guys to go and do. Go and check your portfolio. classify your portfolio in 4 classifications. How many percentage of meme coin do you have? How many percentage of blockchain projects do you have? How many percentage of Bitcoin and Ethereum do you have? And how many percentage of degens, that is latest projects, do you have? All of this is how your project should be. So Bitcoin and Ethereum should have minimum 30% or above 30% of your portfolio. Degens, blockchain should have about another 30 to 40% of your portfolio. Meme coin should have 10% of your portfolio, no matter how much you want. Because some of us, our project is just, our asset is just full of meme coin, and you are saying you are trading crypto. You are not trading crypto. That's not crypto. You are not investing in crypto at all. Okay, and that's why when we are in the bearish market, you will see a lot of people complaining because their portfolio is not balanced. And the fourth project is the Degens project, which should be between 10 to 20% of your entire portfolio. So with that, you have about 30, 30, 30, 40, 20, 10. 30, 40, 20, 10. That's it. I know some people that don't have any meme coin. Okay, I have Shiba Inu. I told you guys to buy Shiba Inu last year. It gave us over 1,000%, which is very good. I'm happy for those that bought. Okay, but I have Shiba Inu. I don't have Dogecoin. I think Shiba Inu and one other one is the one I have currently. And if you want to have access to my portfolio list, you have to be in our community. Reach out to the numbers scrolling on the screen so that you can have access to the list in the community. Okay, having established that, thank you so much for your presence today. I'm sure you guys gained some value. What will you say to my team every time coming here to give you some amazing nuggets? What will you say? These guys are not sleeping. They just want you guys to keep gaining some value. I know some of you are saying, Mr. Mayowa, we want to join your community. If you want to join our community, just reach out to the Bukola on that number showing on the screen. Then she will attend to you and get you started right. Okay, that's what I can do for you today. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I will be live again on Saturday, and this Saturday we're going to be talking about digital business, how to create wealth, passive income. So we're focusing on Saturdays for passive income, what to do, how to make money, and we're good to go. That'll be all for today. My name remains Owolabi. I look forward to your success. I'll see you at the top and not from the top, because the floor is crowded. You need to find a way to get to the top. Peace out, guys. Talk to you soon. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.